Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world-famous Hoover Dam. From here, you have a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, and the Colorado River. As you look over the railing, you will see the tallest concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere. Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,244 feet across the top, but is only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat, if you can imagine, like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch-gravity structure contains 2,250,000 cubic yards of concrete, enough to build a two-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City. The thickness of the roadway is a mere 45 feet, but as the dam expands downward toward the base, it reaches 660 feet at the bottom, nearly as thick as it is tall. She weighs in at a 15.5 million tons.
Claudia taking a picture. No, this sounds deja vu.
From here, you can see Lake Mead behind the dam, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water, enough to flood an area the size of Connecticut 10 feet deep.
Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yeah.
We're at
Below the face of the dam, you can see two long powerhouse buildings, one on each side of the canyon.
Hoover Dam.
These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy sold to support the operation and maintenance of this facility. This allows Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars. The body of water below is called the tail bay or tail bay, which here is actually the
hard to see, but there is a river over there.
Hundreds of feet below the surface of Lake Mead spills out through the turbines and flows on downstream. Water temperature out of the turbines